In Villeneuve-Sur-Lot, it's another day and another market. And as if the vibrant colours of the veg stalls aren't enough, this band, the Batacu Fanfare Brass Band, are out to steal the show. Now, I love French markets, but in true French style we've decided we should start growing our own fresh produce. And back at home, our garden is in full swing. It's June, and the trees are already laden with plums. Our potato patch is bursting at the seam. Oh, Dylan with his cone. He's not very well. We can't stop him biting a little mole on his paw. Our peaches are popping, and we've even managed to grow our own tomato. But it's the plums Maria has her eye on.
What are you going to do with them?
Make something. Put it this way, you'll be having plums forever more, the amount of plums there are.
Is that a double plum?
It's like a bottom. The bum plums.
On that note, and moving swiftly on, let's put the plums in the pot.
What are you making?
Don't tell me, because I've got no makeup on.
What is it?
It's plum jam.
Jam?
Jam.
I thought you were making some sort of plum brandy.
No, I was going to make plum jelly, but I haven't got any pectin. And I was too eager to make it. But with the other plums, I can make... I haven't got any brandy anyway. You've got to add brandy to it. It doesn't just make its own brandy.
Ready for a pack shot? Here's one Maria made earlier. A few days later, and it's time to dig the spuds.
Look at these little guys. All these little jewels. Come and see that. Can you get any closer to those? Aren't they cute? So there we go. Our first new potatoes. Ooh, that's a nice one.
Now, there's nothing like new potatoes fresh out the soil, even if they are all odd shapes.
That's a big one, isn't it?
Yep. Your brain? My brain.
What are you trying to say?
Pah! I'm off to cook a little steak to go with those.
Now that's a steak.
Have I ever told you I love a big steak?
Cooking away.
This is Côte de Boeuf.
Beautiful. They look good.
Oh, they do look good.
Oh my god.
Let's see if my steak's ready.
Wow. Oh, come on. That's a steak and a half. Look.
Now, this is the life. And before you ask, no, the Coleman's mustard pots are not product placement. It's just our little bit of Britain. The following evening, we headed to a local hunters' lunch in a nearby village. This annual event, with the hunter's catch roasted over an open grill, is a meat-eater's delight, and I apologise in advance to any veggies or vegans watching. But this is France, and here, these festivals of meat are the norm. As our French band sings an Amy Winehouse cover of Back to Black in English, the alcohol started to flow. I'm not sure what's coming out of this container, but I can report it's a drink that has a kick like a donkey. The mule juice, the wine, and even more wine continued through the night. Bellies were filled with the meat from the hunt. And the inevitable dad-dancing moves took place until the very early hours. So, for my tip of the day, if you move to France, be prepared to party hard. And you'll need great stamina, as the various night festivals can be as many as 2 to 3 a week. Coming soon. Living on a river calls for buying a boat, which is especially useful to visit the night festivals across the river.
A big party is starting to happen, and there's only one way of getting there. By boat.
We discover how this quiet and sleepy town of Fongrave gets transformed every Thursday night throughout the summer, and how the French seem to practice line dancing at every opportunity, to any style of music. And I get my words in a mucking fuddle and blame the Calvados.
He talks with the lips and walks with the lips.
I think it's time to go now.
All this and plenty more on a small screen near you.